Wagwan guys, so here I want us to analyze volatility 25 index. Right, we're having a market analysis on this index and we're analyzing using the price action markets approach, and we're analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame to predict the next market direction, to look out for possible trade opportunity on this index. And I will be giving you guys a step-by-step guide on how I analyze the market, on how I look out for trade opportunities on every market. So first thing first is to start from a higher time frame, right? We have the monthly time frame, we have the weekly time frame, and the daily time frame as the three higher time frames we got. So any of these time frames, you can start from any of these three, but in most cases I start from the weekly time frame. But here I would want us to analyze from the monthly time frame, right? So have a bigger view on the market to spot our levels and zones from a higher time frame, starting from the monthly time frame. So after you might have gone to a higher time frame, what we look out for on that higher time frame is the market direction, right? We have to zoom out on the chart to spot the market direction, and you can see clearly that this market direction, this overall market direction is downtrend. This market is on a downtrend. So now we've identified the market direction. The next thing we do is to spot our possible levels, our level of resistance and support on the markets, right? So we have one of those levels here. This is our level of support. This is our support level that got broken, now turned resistance currently because price is trading below this level. So this level is said to be a level of resistance, right? This was a support here before price broke below this level, turning to a resistance. They retest at this point, then we got the sales to the downside. So this is one of the levels we got on this index. The next level we have probably should be this level. This also a level of support that was a resistance that got broken, turned to resistance. Now price is trading below this level. So these are the two major levels, and possibly we have this level as our next level too on the monthly time frame. So these are our levels and zones, right, and our market direction which we've identified on the monthly time frame. Now let's head down to the weekly time frame to identify the market structure on it. So on the weekly time frame on V25 index, we can see that we got a trend. Let's clear this thing. We got different trends, right? The first trend is this trend, which market was in a downtrend. This is the weekly time frame trends right now. We've already identified the monthly time frame overall direction, which is market being in a downtrend. So this is the weekly time frame trends we got, the smaller trends we got. So on the weekly time frame, we have one of these trends as markets being in a downtrend. We have the downtrend on the weekly time frame. So our next trend should be this uptrend, right? That's the next trend that followed up this uptrend basically. And let's spot our trend resistance, which is at this point. So we can see that we previously had a downtrend which price broke out of, now was moving on uptrend. Now we can see clearly that we got a break of this uptrend, right? So what do we expect of this index? Are we to get a new trend formation, like see market shift from an uptrend to a downtrend, because we already got a break of this trend, or we are to see the reversal to the upside? There's one simple thing I'm expecting, which is a retest of this level in the coming days and weeks on the V25 index. On how we've gotten a break of this trend, it would be expected to see price move to retest this trend support that got broken, now turned resistance, as well as this resistance level on the weekly time frame, because we've seen that we got multiple market reactions on this level. Firstly has a resistance, market reaction here, price move to the upside. So if price can actually move to the upside a little bit to come test this zone, now we have two resistance levels. Firstly is our trend support, which is at this point that got broken, now turned resistance if we can get a retest on it. And this level of resistance, we've seen how price has sold from this loss of resistance resistance, then there was a break of it, price failed to buy from this level as a support. So there's something expected, which is a retest of this level, then we get the sells. We get the sells to the downside from that zone. So this is my trade projection on this index basically, and this market move would probably give us a reversal pattern formation, which would look like this: the left shoulder at that zone, the head at this point, and we'll be getting the right shoulder formation, which is yet to form at this point. So this would be a nice bearish reversal pattern formation. So this would make a lot of sense because market has actually shifted from a downtrend. Market has broken out of this downtrend, right? So let's just expect little upward move for long-term sales to this zone, at least on V25 index. So this is my weekly time frame trade projection basically. So we have a level at this point which you have to pay attention to. We got this level as a key level, as an important zone, because we got price do what? Sell on this level as a resistance previously. Resistance, then support at this point, support. So there's a possibility of price to do what? Buying from this level as a support. That's why I'm expecting an upward move to this zone for long-term sales. So now our short-term point of focus should be on the buy side of this index. So how do we take advantage of this wonderful trade opportunity? And on the daily time frame, we're already seeing that market is trying to form a bullish reversal pattern formation, which is an inverted head and shoulders pattern formation, which is likely to give us an upward move, right? Which is likely to give us this upward move to contest our sell zone. So this inverted head and shoulders pattern formation is a bullish reversal pattern formation. We've already gotten the left shoulder here, and we have to get the head at this point, then the right shoulder possibly would be at this zone, right? So if this formation can form completely, then let's expect the buy move to the upside. So how do we get into this trade? I have a zone probably which I should be paying attention to, which is at this point is a level of resistance, because we've seen how market has reacted on this level, how price has sold on this level, right, as a resistance. The sells here, the sells here, the sells here, the sells at this zone, and you're getting the sells at this point as well. So I'm expecting a break of this level of resistance, because we're already getting this higher low formation on the 4-hour time frame. When we go to the 1-hour time frame, we can see how this structure looks basically. So let's expect a break of this level, a break above this level, for possible buys to the upside. So how do we get into this trade? Coming to the 1-hour time frame, we can see this uptrend formation. Market's already moving in a bullish form. We're already getting this bullish structure, which is going to break our resistance level for the big buys to go test our sell zone, right? So we're getting this higher lows formation, and inside of this higher lows, we have our first level here, first level at this zone, because we've seen how price bought as a support, resistance. So this is the key level, and our next level should be probably at this point. Our next level should be at this zone, right? Because we've seen how price has sold from us resistance. Now there's a break and retest of this level already. Is this really a clear retest, or we have to get more test of this zone, right? So I'm expecting price to, since we've gotten a retest, but we could still see price come back to this level for another retest for the good buy. So I would be looking out for something of this kind, a retest of this level, then I'll be taking my buys from that zone to the upside, a proper retest, then I would be buying this index. So to confirm this our buy zone, which is at this point our lower time frame buy zone, I would be bringing up our Fibonacci 2, or bringing up the Fibonacci 2, matching it up from the swing lows to the swing highs to confirm our level of retracement. So our 61.8 level is basically at this point, and our 50.0 level is here. So if price can give a little retracement to this level, then we'll be buying this index from this zone. Good buys is expected from this level. But if price can't sell to this level, if the bullish pressure seems to be much, right, then we would look out for our buys on the break of this zone, right? Something of this kind, a break of this level, a break and retest of this zone, right? A break above this level, something of this kind. Let's see something like this, a break above it, retest on it, then we'll be getting the buys to the upside from that level on V25 index. So that's my view and analysis on this index price action. And you guys have seen how I was able to analyze from a higher time frame, that's the monthly time frame, down to a lower time frame for our possible entry point. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more trade analysis like this, and drop a good comment on this video. You can as well recommend the next index you would want me to analyze. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. Chilling me slot, guys. Let's do more and have enough for the